So do be mindful. If you're paying attention, me and Rube are actually doing a lot of splits right now. We've actually been working legs almost every time we come in, and it will transition to another upper body movement. So today we're gonna do another split again. So we did rows, we're gonna do chest. We only gonna do incline. We're not doing nothing else. We're only gonna do incline. We're gonna start off light, work our way up. I'm still personally trying to warm up, so I'm gonna do 20 reps just to kind of get started. Remember, everything we doing, good form, good technique. If you lacking form, drop the weight. That's all we wanna do. Woo. That 20 feel good. I ain't really want to do the 20, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But also be mindful too. Right now, the reason why we're doing a lot of split scenarios is because we want to build better conditioning on lower body and upper body. So it's kind of like we giving ourselves full body workouts on a regular. Then within the next week, maybe 2 weeks, that's when we're gonna start doing more isolation work. I just want to slowly work Rube back into the training, because like I said, he's been focusing on more cardio. So I don't want him to feel some type of way if it's a point that we do a whole chest day. We'll be doing incline, decline, and flat bench. I want his body to kind of get prepped towards being able to handle some of these reps and some of these sets. Mainly because we've been going over weight that's going to challenge. Got a 20, get to 20. If you got 10, you still for the win.
I want to move this down just a bit.
See, I told you, small torso, that's cool.
Yeah.
Make your adjustments, you know how it is. Remember, exercising is a feeling process. You should be able to feel the area that you're trying to train. You shouldn't just be pushing through the motion. You should be able to feel the area you're trying to train. Let's get it nice and clean. Look at that elbow positioning too. Look at that elbow positioning, fire. Fire, that's how you know he loading the chest coming down and not loading those shoulders. Nice. Remember, squeeze at the top, load at the bottom. Squeeze at the top, load at the bottom. Gotta make sure you still loading that chest. Butter. Abs nice and tight. Don't forget, another important key, glutes all the way back on the platform, and make sure your footing is solid for whatever weight you're trying to use. See, now you got me motivated too, talking about something I was swole. I gotta get back, but be real. Within 2 weeks, I'm already moving in the right direction. Look, I put on a shirt, because everything I do to kind of see where I'm at is relative to some of my clothes. It's clothes that I've been having for over the past 10 years. So I can always see what's up and what's down when it comes down. When I'm cutting, my hoodies and stuff don't feel the same. So I got hoodies in a certain size to make sure I fill them in this bulking season. So remember, we're in bulking season right now. The objective is to get as strong as possible so that when it's time to cut, we can maintain as much muscle as possible as well. Oh yeah, see? I can't do what Rube doing. That ain't chest, that's shoulders for me. That's why I say you gotta make your seat adjustments. This right here, I feel all chest. One thing I love too, with that progressive overload, it feels good when you're going up. Like, you know how sometimes I'm like, I don't really feel 100%. I don't want to stay right there. I want to stay right here. This shit feel good. I'm not going to do a 45 today, but I'm for sure as hell going to do a quarter. I'm actually going to put you on the quarter next. All right, let's go. Get your money. We're going for 10. Easy. Good. Positioning good. Get a good lock in. Nice clean 10. Let's go. Up, up, up. 1, nice. 2, nice. 3, 4, good. 5, come on. 6, good. 7, 8, come on. 9, come on. Up. 10, great work. Nice. I want you to do within those last 2 reps, if you find yourself significantly failing to a point you think you're not going to be able to knock out the reps, do me a favor and just get more explosive. Those last 2, 3, 1. It's okay. As long as you can still connect and contract the muscle that you train. Won't be very important. But do me that favor, and then remember, fight for it at the end until you can't really push no more. But do me a favor, just get off. In this particular program, just get off the machine. That's all you gotta do. Just get off the machine, catch up on your next set. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Your body may need that rest. So we going up again. As you can see, because y'all be trolling sometimes, I got a quarter in the inside. Funny thing is now, we ain't had this conversation, Rube, but I don't talk about certain weight. I was talking to my client about this earlier. He was like, oh, how much is this? I'm like, bro, I only count 135, 225, and 315. I don't give a shit about none of the weight in between. Let's get it. Couldn't get that. I'm gonna drop set on this one. Couldn't get that. And y'all seen how those drop sets been humbling the hell out of us. But remember, drop sets is another way to not only increase failure and build muscle, but also build that endurance. We wanna build endurance. We don't wanna just do it 3 times. Woo! Definitely the seat. Forgot to switch it. Drop it one more time. Woo! Nice clean reps. Remember, if it's a point, glutes come off the bench, or you moving to the right or moving to the left to get the weight up, just drop the weight. Just drop the weight. Whew. That feel better than what we've been doing the last week or so. Because that drop set looked way better than those 2, 3 we've been getting afterwards. You told me you ready. He said he ready for that smoke. So he gonna drop set. Look at these, 1, 2, 3, and then rep out 4. He wanted 4 drop sets. That's cool. He wanted 4 weights to drop with. Let's get it. Come on. Well, technically 3, my bad. 3 for 4 sets of work, good. Remember, as many reps as possible. You got it. As many reps as possible. Good work, look at that footing. That's how I know when Ruben in his bag and he lifting a decent amount of weight. Good. Keep repping, good. Nice and clean, good. Nice, good. Chase one more. Try to get it where you got it. Chase one more. Yeah, oh, you got one more. You got one more, for sure. Yeah, that's what I want, good work. Now we gonna drop the weight. That's great work. See how that was clean at the end?
I had him.
Huh?
Good call.
Oh no, I was paying attention. Remember, I'm watching your body fatigue, very important. You already know, I'm gonna say kill it. If it ain't there, I'm gonna say kill it. Let's go. Right into it. That's what I was telling you. You gotta be ready for this. Good, keep it level, keep it level. Keep your body centered, nice and centered. Don't shift to the right, don't shift to the left. Oh, see? Told you, that's what I wanted to do too. It's cool though. It's cool though. In this scenario, give yourself 5 seconds because you're stripping the weight too fast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Get your money. Get your money. Nice and clean. Good. 1. Good. Explosive. 2. Explosive. 3. One more. One more. Up, 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 up. Ah, good. Strip it one more time. Nice.
1 of 5 on that.
It's all good. Say your best for last. Give it 10-second brace. 10-second rest real quick. You got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Good. 1. Come on. Nice. 2. Come on. 3. Good. Come on. 4. Good. One more. One more. One more. No glutes. Keep them down. Good work. 5. Nice. Easy, good work, good work, good work.